Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in today's video I will be doing the walkthrough of Black Cat Scribbles. That is the project that recently I completed. It was a complete website redesign, so this was a running website and the owner wanted to redesign it because the conversion wasn't there. The website looked a little different, so I'll show you how the website looked originally. I'll just go to my Google Drive. So this was the homepage, screenshot homepage. So it was black and white. There was no atmosphere that would reflect the horror genre of the books. There was no call to action within the image. Image wasn't linked to any section of the website, such as product or collection. So obviously, the first impression, it was a little bit dull. So it didn't really suck the visitors in and showing what they can expect. It was just a little bit underwhelming, I have to say. Though the top navigation is there, so that was very user friendly. Below that, there were few featured products, but as you can see, the product titles were completely unoptimized. They were just single words. So for SEO reasons, for SEO value, they wouldn't really bring the right traffic. So for example, if someone would be searching for horror books or digital horror books, obviously they wouldn't be typing Only Sunday. The images were different heights. Obviously, that didn't really give a professional look. And also the images were really, really underwhelming. So they didn't really create this kind of horror, terrifying genre. And that was the bottom of the website. So that was all the homepage elements. So it was quite a big element that didn't have any call to action. It was just this kind of black and white text. The footer was bland as well. And after I spoke with the customer, it turned out that the customer is selling digital books, and they are quite original because the customer is creating her own digital artwork, and the pages are have illustrations that really bring the extra value to the reader, creating the story, emphasizing the story. So I really wanted to reflect it on the website. So what I did, I started by changing the template to narrative. So narrative Shopify template is perfect for someone who wants to tell a story through images. And the owner of the website had a amazing collection of images, which weren't really displayed on the original website. So I decided to show them in much better way. So logo was designed, the menu was hidden a little bit, and there is a catchy title, call to action button, a link into the collection page, and straight away it creates this kind of atmosphere and the text is really introductory as well. So sometimes the scariest things in the world is a silence. Immerse yourself in the most blood-chilling experience, a harmony of horrifying visuals and hair-raising words, and discover Black Cat Scribbles collection today. So this is a good summary of the books. So this is harmony of horrifying visuals and hair-raising words. So this is what makes her book stand out, and obviously very, very eye-catching image as well. I included a video that shows how her book pages look like. So I wanted the users to really see what's the difference between those books and other books. So you can see there's a slideshow of the pages of each book and why why they are so unique, why people would choose them. So obviously that's a great way to improve the conversion rate as well. And moving forward, there is another element that emphasizes how much those books really will really create this kind of chilling experience. So horror books to delight your senses. Our books will delight fans of horror with the spine-chilling experience of bonding the story with the most gripping visuals. So this is important, unique point as well. This hypnotizing combination will captivate your imagination till you feel like being part of the plot, clinging to life. So this is really captivating for horror users. Obviously, the colors are quite dark for the genre. Um, so there are the collections, the books are split into two different collections: horror stories, general fiction. There is also poetry. So obviously there is distinction here. And here I included the quotations from each book, so people can see the most eye-catching quotations, and they know from which book it comes from. So it will help them to choose the one for them. So this is really great way also to really introduce your products a little bit better, help people choose the right item for them, and obviously create additional atmosphere. And this is a featured product. So obviously this is a product that is best selling on the website and customer wanted to feature it. So it was included on the homepage. Additionally, there is extra slideshow with terrifying images and linking to each collection. So horror books shop, general fiction shop, and poetry and shop, link shop as well. So I'll show you the collection page. So horror books, I made sure that all the product images are the same height. I can see that the owner changed the layout a little bit, but obviously it works a little bit better this way. For them, it's still a great visual effect, uh, visual journey for the visitors. This is a new item, but it looks really, really good. I also made sure to edit the layout of the pages and obviously optimize the pages with hashtags, internal links, and to improve the customer journey. And the return policy was created because customer wants to introduce more physical products. So obviously um, they were specific that they want to have the copyright information for the digital products, which is here and also on the return page, and also the separate returns policy. And this project took less than 10 business days, and obviously it is a complete makeover to the website, creating a strong branding. The website was also optimized with more target keywords to bring a better converting traffic. So obviously I optimized the website for the keywords such as downloadable horror books, horror stories, and so on. So people who are searching for these, I made sure that the Google search shows the appropriate content or shows the relevant content, such as books, not just movies. And obviously, they've got commercial value, meaning that the traffic coming to the website is most likely to convert. And as I mentioned, this project was completed by myself, a rock paper copy. It is a complete website redesign project, and you can request it by filling in the form on this page and also visiting www.rockpapercopy.com. And it was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.